Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. This is a super handy little tool from ESTWING. I really love this ESTWING Pro Claw Molding Puller. It is a 10-inch pry bar. It is made from a forged steel and it is very, very strong. It also has a non-slip cushion grip, which is comfortable to hold and use even for a long time. And it even helps to absorb some of the impact when you are using this with a hammer, which really lessens any discomfort. I've used this for prying off baseboards, removing nails, and even for removing this old linoleum floor. It's just the thing because it has a really nice slim end to it that you can tap right underneath the flooring and easily get it up. So this is a great tool to have in your arsenal. It's super durable, really, really well made, and comes in handy all the time. And I really appreciate the small size. It makes it really easy to handle and work with. I would definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.